In this video, I'll guide you through how to fix a Chime card declining. Whether you're trying to make an important purchase or simply want the flexibility to use your card without any hitches, these steps will help you get back on track smoothly. First, you need to ensure that your Chime card is activated. Open the Chime app on your mobile device. The app is your primary tool for managing your account and making sure everything is set up correctly. Once you're in the app, navigate to your card settings. Here you should see an option that confirms whether your card is activated. If you find that it's not, go ahead and follow the prompts to activate it. Activation is crucial because without it, your card will not work for any transactions. Next, still within the card settings, look for the option labeled Allow Transactions. Make sure this is turned on. This setting is like a switch that tells Chime to allow transactions on your card. If it's turned off, then any attempt to use your card, whether online or in person, will result in a decline. After ensuring transactions are allowed, check your account balance. It's easy to overlook, but sometimes the simplest explanation is the correct one. Make sure you have enough funds in your account to cover the purchase you're trying to make. Even if you're only a few dollars short, it could cause a decline. You can quickly check your balance within the app to confirm this. If you're traveling, whether domestically or internationally, there might be additional settings you need to adjust. Some banks and card issuers automatically block transactions that occur outside of your usual geographic area to prevent fraud. In the Chime app, look for any travel-related settings or notifications. Ensuring these are correctly set up can prevent your card from being declined while you're on the move. If after all these checks your card is still being declined, it's time to contact Chime support. Their support team can provide more personalized assistance and help you troubleshoot issues specific to your account. You can typically find contact details within the app or on the Chime website. They are there to help, so don't hesitate to reach out. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can often resolve the issue of a declining Chime card. These solutions cover the most common problems users face, giving you peace of mind that your funds are accessible whenever you need them. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps you fix your Chime card issues quickly and easily.